Loading up a boat at Capitola. September 13th, 2025.
What's that?
Good luck out there.
Thank you. Good luck out there.
Thank you.
He's like, keep talking trash. I'm gonna come up these steps.
So you're the guy that handles the boats?
Yes, ma'am.
How long you been doing it?
Couple months.
Yeah, can I videotape you?
Sure.
So how did you get your training?
What was that?
How did you learn to do it? Did you
Uh,
just come out here and have somebody show you? Or you
No, I mean I already knew. I have my own boat,
you have your boat?
so I already know how to do most of this. It's
All
really
right.
Easy. So, yeah, I just keep fishing, and we're very good friends with the owner. So
Oh, cool.
they give me.
So you got you a job.
Yeah.
Hi. So they rental the boat?
Yes, sir.
How much for that?
For 1 hour is $65. For the whole day from 7 in the morning to 3 in the afternoon is $195.
Okay. Not
But
too
now there's I believe after this month, during the weeks it's 165.
165.
Yeah,
All
for the
right.
whole day.
Okay. So
Yeah.
1 hour 65.
No, the hour is 65. Yeah, but for the whole day it's 165.
Okay. All right. Good.
During the
Cool.
week at the end of this month.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where do you live?
Me
Uh-huh.
and Santa Cruz.
Santa Cruz? Um, were you born here?
Yes.
You were?
Yeah. I'm born and raised in Santa Cruz.
That's cool. What school did you go to?
I went to Aptos.
Aptos High?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Have you gone to college yet?
No.
Okay. Well, you probably don't need to.
No, I'm good commercial. I have a lot of things. I'm an electrician too.
Are you? Where'd you
Yeah.
get that training?
I work with the contractor.
So
I'm
on
an
the
apprentice.
on the job training?
Yeah.
Oh, that's what I think everybody should be doing are the trades.
Yeah, I know
They're-
how to do all of that.
That's awesome. How old are you?
I'm 18.
Awesome. I'm so glad to meet you.
Nice
You're
to meet
amazing.
you too. What was your name?
Gail.
Gail. Nice
Yeah.
to meet you.
This goes on a little channel called Life in Santa Cruz. So I wanted to have you featured on my channel.
Alright.
Okay. Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
My pleasure.